Yes, let me share with you some easy ways on how to make money online. Now the truth is, most people have searched on Google how to make money online. What happens is, when they give you the many different options, you realize they are talking about some things which are not applicable depending from wherever you are. And other things, you find that they are talking about things which you have no clue about. Let me try to simplify it for you and give you the most easy ways you can use to make money online. Before we even go there, why should you consider making money online? Now, the truth of the matter is, number one, it's easy to make money online. Now, why? Because we are now connected. Many years ago, it was hard, but now everyone almost has a smartphone. Is accessible. It makes sense. You can be here but connected to different people. Now, whichever service you can imagine to give online, I'm assuring you there are many people who would be willing to listen to what you have to offer. Number two, another reason to why you should think of making money online is that there is a huge market base. There is also another fundamental. If you talk about making money online, you should be either selling something, a product, or giving a service. Now, if it's about selling a product, you have millions of products you can choose from to sell online. The most important thing is you just need to make some research on what can I actually sell online. When you choose what you want to sell, focus on that very product so that you create a name in that area. The easiest one would be selling a service. Now, selling a service can be as easy as giving relationship advice. You all know how everyone has this need of being in a relationship. Guess what? Most people don't know what to do. Now, if you're someone who can have something to say about the idea of relationships, about the idea of business, about anything, you have a chance of creating an audience, and as you create an audience, you'll get many ways of monetizing that audience. Let me give you some ideas on what services you can offer online. The first one, as I said, advice. Now, advice can range from relationship advice, financial advice. You can actually give advice on almost anything, so long as you think it's valuable. If you've ever had a conversation with people and they listen, then there is business there. You can come online and start advising people in those same things. That's one field that you can go into and start making money online. Number two, you can think of doing what we call commentary. Actually, this is the easiest. We always have things that are happening in our lives, and you can give commentary. Whether it is commentary on politics, whether it's commentary on what is trending, I can assure you that there are people who would be willing to listen to what you have to say. Number three, education. You can educate people on almost anything. You can educate people on how to cook. You can educate like anything that you know in your head. You can educate people about it. I can assure you that even if you developed a new interest in something new, for example, maybe I've developed an interest in stones. Stones are almost everywhere. And you record your videos, you're like, wow, I met this stone. It's a wonderful stone. Wow. Then you go on hunting on other different types of stones. You see, this stone is amazing. What? Maybe you even go deep to do some research on them. Okay, bring in some geography there. I'm telling you, people want to listen. People are all over online consuming content. So as they are consuming content, come on the side of producing and produce something. So generally, you need to put some effort. Most people are so lazy. The laziness that I'm talking about is not almost the physical laziness, but the most dangerous laziness is laziness in. Someone will say, wow, I'm motivated. I need to get something to sell online. But when they go to do some research, they will walk from here to there, check on this product and this product. They'll be like, I don't think they are not going to work. Things are not going to work. Come on. Test as many things as possible. You will land on something that you'll be buying. Let us assume you're buying it at 5,000 and you have the ability to sell it at 12,000, making like more than 100%. There are some products that you can even sell and make 200% in profits. You buy it 1,000, you sell it 3,000. It's very possible they are there and people are selling them. The question is, why are you seated? Why can't you say, okay, I also need to get on this journey. Wake up, do something, sell something, do something about it. Let me give you another category of products that you can actually sell. You can sell products of other people. For example, someone has an established business, they are struggling to get clients. What you can do is, you can go and have an arrangement with this person. You tell them, for me actually, I already have my audience, I've been creating some content here. All I can use this and these ways to make sure that I give you business, I bring business to you. You'll give me a commission. You agree with them, you strike a deal, and then from there, you start pushing these products. As you push them online, and some products, you don't even need to show your face. As you push them, you start getting commission, you start getting business from people, and then you'll be getting a commission. Just a matter of forwarding, saying, okay, I have got a client is interested. You go and get this product and deliver, or you just recommend. By recommending, person already knows that it's you who has recommended this person. Now, actually online is what we call affiliate marketing. But I want to simplify this so that you can be able to easily understand it. Because if you can connect clients to my business, I would also be willing to reward you and pay you something. Another category on how you can make money online is to make money from your profession. You could be an engineer, you could be a teacher, you could be almost anything. Whatever you do, like professionally, all you need to do is now to start documenting what you do, so that people will see, oh, okay, so and so does what, oh, so and so does what, oh, he's an engineer. When I have some gig here, I'll have to give him a job, because you're the one they know. Now, most people do not want to market themselves online. Marketing yourself online is so powerful that you will start getting business coming. People will be trusting you already. So, it's also another category on how you can make money. Now, in the coming videos, I'll be going into detail in all these fields so that you can find a way on how to make money from your profession, to make money giving advice, to make money actually selling a product or a service. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Why? We are going to be bringing more content that will help you to also start earning online. Thank you so much.